Hope tonight for patients who test positive for COVID-19 and end up in the hospital. The FDA approving remdesivir for use in some COVID-19 patients.
41 Action News anchor Cynthia Newsom talked via Zoom with an infectious disease doctor at St. Luke's Health System about who benefits and how you can get access to it.
There's a new weapon in the fight against COVID-19, and this is it, remdesivir, an antiviral drug. Doctors used it to treat President Donald Trump when he was diagnosed with COVID-19. It's widely available, and doctors on the front lines of the COVID-19 battle are using it to treat patients, including doctors at St. Luke's Health System here in the Kansas City Metro. Do you think we'll have more people surviving, being sick less time, recovering sooner?
I think that remains to be seen. Like I said, that initial trial looked really at improvement in symptoms, and symptom resolution seemed to be better with remdesivir group. The 28-day mortality, or who died from COVID, really didn't change with that initial trial.
Dr. Sarah Boyd said more data is needed to determine exactly how effective it will be, but the U.S. National Institutes of Health study found that remdesivir reduced recovery time for COVID patients from 15 to 10 days. For now, the FDA is limiting who can be treated.
So it's hospitalized COVID patients is how the FDA approval came. And we typically were using it in patients that required oxygen and were hospitalized.
Patients must be at least 12 years old and weigh at least 88 pounds. With some schools returning to in-person learning, with the approaching holidays and with the election next week, Dr. Boyd is reminding people to abide by social distancing, wear a mask, and wash their hands often.
With the election, if you need to be in a line waiting, trying to keep that 6 feet kind of distancing from the people around you, having your mask and having a hand sanitizer in your pocket ready to use if needed.
To reduce your risk of developing COVID-19 and needing treatment. Cynthia Newsom, 41 Action News.